Magic ring is a common way to start crocheting things in the round. Now let's learn how to make magic ring. First, take your yarn and pick up your yarn tail with your right hand. Then face your left palm to you. You're going to hold the yarn in front of your palm, and then wrap the yarn once around your pinky. Now drape that yarn over your index finger and loop it once around your index finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your index finger. Now grab your hook and stick it into this loop from the right to the left. Stick it through that loop. We are going to bring that yarn through the loop that we just put the hook into. I also rotate my hook. So now I have a loop on my hook and it looks a little bit twisted. So I'm gonna bring the hook down below and behind this yarn. The tip of my hook's facing me, so that I can pull it through the loop. Slip this loop off of your index finger. Drape that yarn over your index finger. Now, we finish the magic ring. We need to pay attention to the yarn between the finger and the piece. Because it is going to make it easy or difficult to pull this yarn through the loop. If you move your finger closer to the magic ring, the yarn gets looser. If you move your finger further away, the yarn gets tighter. You can hold the hook like a pencil or a knife, whichever works for you. Face the tip of the hook and insert hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull through the ring to get to loops on hook. Yarn over again and pull through these to loops on hook. So, you got one single crochet. Mark this first stitch with stitch marker. Okay, we need to repeat with 5 more single crochet. Insert the hook into the ring again. Rotate hook from bottom to top. Yarn over and pull through. See to loops on hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. Now, we got 2 single crochet. Repeat. 3, 4, 5, 6. See 6 stitches. Pinch the yarn tail with the thumb and middle finger and pull tight to close the magic ring. Now, work 1 slip stitch to finish this round. Insert hook into the marking first stitch. You can put the yarn tail on hook. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. and pull through the loop on hook. Now, we need to work one chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook. This is the chain stitch and this is the slip stitch of last round. They are not counted as the needed stitch of each round. Now, we need to crochet 6 increase for round 2. Insert your hook into the first stitch on left, yarn over and pull through the stitch to make 2 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. Mark this first stitch with stitch marker. Insert hook into the same stitch to work another single crochet again. Now, we got 2 single crochet in the same stitch, which mean we finish 1 increase. Repeat with 5 more increase. Insert hook into the next stitch and work 1 single crochet. Insert hook into the same stitch and work another single crochet. Now, we got to increase. C for stitches. Repeat. Finish 6 increase to get 12 stitches of this round. The slip stitch of round 1 and the chain stitch of round 2 are not counted as the needed stitches. Skip these 2 stitches and insert hook into the marking first stitch and work 1 slip stitch to finish round 2. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark the stitch. Continue with 1 increase. Now, we got 3 stitches. We need to repeat with 5 more groups of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Work 1 slip stitch in the stitch marked by the stitch marker to finish round 3. Don't forget to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Work 1 single crochet at the first stitch and mark the stitch with stitch marker. Repeat with 1 single crochet next. Work 1 increase in the next stitch. Finish 1 group of 2 single crochet, 1 increase. We need to repeat with 5 more group of 2 single crochet, 1 increase. Skip the slip stitch and the chain stitch and insert hook into the marking stitch and work 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. We need to hook 24 single crochet of round 5, mark the first stitch. Please do remember to work 1 slip stitch to finish each round. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Now we need to work 6 single crochet first, mark the first stitch. Okay, now we need to work 1 increase. Continue with 4 single crochet next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now work 1 increase in the next stitch. One single crochet next. Next stitch, 1 increase. Continue with 3 single crochet. Then 1 increase next. And work 6 single crochet to finish round 6. Please skip the slip stitch and the chain stitch, and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch of round 6. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning of the round 7 and 8. Mark the first stitch of each round with the stitch marker. Repeat single crochet to finish each 28 single crochet of round 7 and round 8. And work 1 slip stitch at the end of round 7 and 8. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. And work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Okay, now we need to work 1 decrease. Insert hook into the front loop of the next stitch. Do not yarn over. And insert the hook into the front loop of the second stitch. See 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through last 2 loops. This is known as decrease. Continue with 5 single crochet next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, we need to continue with 5 groups of 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. So, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Finish 1 group. Repeat with 4 more groups. Continue with 3 single crochet. Then 1 decrease next. And work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch of round 9. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Now we work 1 single crochet, mark the first stitch, and 1 increase next. Continue with 5 single crochet next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, we need to continue with 3 groups of 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. So, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat with 2 more groups. Alright, 4 single crochet next. 1, 2, 3, 4, Then 1 increase next. And work 1 slip stitch to finish round 10. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Work 1 single crochet, mark the first stitch. And 1 increase next. Continue with 6 single crochet next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, we need to continue with 2 groups of 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. So, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat 1 more group. Alright, 5 single crochet next. Then 1 increase at the end. And work 1 slip stitch to fasten off. Now, we can see the shape of the dinosaur head.